If you're not racist, subscribe to the subscribe button, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and roll the intro.
Quit talking all that, but we know that it's cap. Who would've thought that I'd make it in rap? I started this shit and I'm not going back. You gon' walk with some lint, I'm gon' walk with some racks. And no, I'm not lying.
That team is pretty dope, right? Yeah. It's straight, right? Yeah. For the most part. Nice for the best one. Alright. Good. Keep going. Keep going? Yeah. Keep going forward. There we go. What's up?
I think chain right there, that way it won't.
Still take.
Yeah.
Get the boot. You got a bolt? Where's that little piece of mop right there? There you go.
It keeps it cool,
Watch
Mom.
the side, Adrian.
Huh?
Watch the side.
I know, Mom.
Right there.
Yeah. No, wait. You wanna go more back?
Bring it down?
Okay, yeah, bring it down.
Should we put a tire in like this?
It's in neutral. Watch it with the back. The back right here. See? That's it. There you go. Remember, you gotta be free right here. Yeah? That's it. That's free. What, the gear? No, like the full transmission. Give me that. Oh, hold on. There's a bunch of cables in here. Yeah, I already zipped them up. Okay. Here you go. Watch your hand. Someone lift up that back. There you go. There we go. It's up. There, keep going. Alright, go for it.
Seen those? There were 3 people. Back from 200 last time we done you and me.
Last time there was 3 people, wasn't it?
No, there's only 2.
Wait. Okay, Adrian or Dad.
Dad.
Adrian, pop open the hood.
We'll talk about the camera. We don't have time for that.
Kind of block.
The kids.
It's okay.
There
You know that
you go.
sometime. We're good.
Okay. I'm sorry, you guys hear me? We're good.
Alright, back on me.
Alright. You go first, and then I'll go next. Like that? Better? Ask Angel. Angel, better? I need you to push this side. Just. And, hey Jake, see if you can grab this and push it. That's cool. Let me go to your dad's side real quick. I wait. Adrian is recording.
I know us struggling and everything. It's gonna go all in the YouTube video.
Yep. Welcome to the channel. Oh, I feel it. I feel it. Did you get some dirt in? Yeah, I got. Oh, thank God.
These are my mechanics.
Yay! It's actually.
I hired
Yeah, it's
3
on. It should be on.
mechanics.
Check it.
I hired. Okay.
Push it there. See, push it there. Angel, watch your head.
It's not doing anything. You need to push it in.
Make sure we don't hit Angel's head first.
It's not gonna catch, Angel. You can spin all you want.
I want to keep spinning, okay? No. Oh, want to loosen some of these? Some of this one?
No, because either way, it's gonna have to tighten up.
And if you loosen the chain,
Don't loosen it. You already left it in there.
if you loosen the chain, try and push it up.
Dude, no.
Fucking slammed his head bad.
I sliced my hand. My finger.
I had to finish it because he was looking inside cleaning it. I felt bad. I was like, fuck.
Because it slipped out my hand. I still
don't think
don't.
they're the right nuts.
What about the one I found on the foot?
What about that one? Let me see. I already tried
Oh
that
no,
one.
give it Jake.
There's one behind his head again. Move.
Oh my God, why you keep putting it together?
Because you have nuts behind your head.
Oh, yeah, there's one right there. Behind your head.
Oh yeah, see you talking all that shit, huh?
Yeah, but I wasn't on top of it. I was just behind it.
They both have
Oh,
nuts
where's that
behind
shit?
their heads.
Hey, as long as we're not part of it, we're good.
Hey man, I'm just like over here. Is that the right nut?
I got you.
I don't know. I found this one before.
Yeah, well, my side's more exposed. Is your side more exposed? Or no? You have enough room?
forget to like, comment, subscribe, and roll the outro before, guys. We're on the last stage of bolting up the transmission. So guys, we might change it up. So we might unbolt the bump to the transmission and push up the bump. We use 2 jacks to push up the bump, the top part, so we close it and tighten those, not that tight, and then do the bump to them, and then we have the drive shaft connected. I use to do the front 2 seat axles, my exhaust, and my shift boot that I got, and I think that'll be it. So I'm gonna do a nice cinematic video for the Subaru and my mom's brother's car. So peace, roll the outro, guys. See you next video.
Never forget from where I came. Not in the game, but you know I'm a bang. This shit is so plain, y'all look the same. Went for nothing, I'm making it rain.